Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a video that's a little bit different than what I would normally do. We are in the process of rearranging bedrooms in our home upstairs. So I'm going to take you guys along with us on this process. And basically this is going to be a messy house clean with me because things are in a bit of a disarray upstairs. And more so because we need to rearrange the kids and move them around. So I want to share with you guys this process from how it looks when it's very messy to how we get it all together. And this is going to be a series of videos because I have several areas in my home that I want to kind of reorganize and just kind of put together differently. So this is part one in this messy house clean with me. So if you guys are interested in seeing how messy my home really is and how we kind of pull it all together, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off in Addison's room showing you all the before, and as you can see it is a hot mess. There's toys and everything just everywhere. Addison doesn't sleep in his room. He sleeps in a little sleigh bed that we have at the foot of our bed in our master bedroom. And I'm sure you guys have seen that before in previous videos. So his room is basically like a playroom. So he was up there having a jam session. Him and my husband's now playing the little keyboard. So they're having fun, but it's time to get cleaning up. So we're gonna start with just kind of picking up all of the clothes from the room and taking everything out of here. So we're just kind of putting everything together, going through everything. We have boxes and bags. We're going to be going through Addison's clothes, seeing what fits, what doesn't, what we need to give away to the Goodwill, and some items we will also share with a family member who has a little boy that's younger than Addison. So like all the really nice items I give to her, and then the other items that are more generally used we give to the Goodwill. So as you guys can see, we're just kind of picking up everything here. So my husband is over in the corner digging in Addison's toy chest, taking all the toys out there so that we can kind of sort through them while I pick up the trash that's already out on the floor, so that we can kind of move it out of the way so we can really see what all he has there, because he has a lot of toys that we need to purge through. So that's what I'm going to start here now with, going through items in these boxes, because I want to see the items that we'll actually keep, items that we will give to the Goodwill, and items that we might give to my little cousin. It has been a while since we've purged Addison's toys, so we have a lot to go through. But what kid doesn't have a lot of toys, right? Now Addison is here not really helping us, more so he's saying the items that he wants to keep, and he really wants to keep everything. So we had to explain to him that he has to get rid of some of his toys, and we will keep the ones that he really liked the most. So he's kind of helping here and kind of basically supervising to make sure that we keep his toys that he wants. So here in the bottom of the box, there were a lot of little bits of toys, like little bits and pieces. And so I was just like, let's just throw everything away. But of course, Addison's like, no, wait, this goes to that toy and this goes to that toy. So we're putting together like his helicopter because there were some pieces in there. So we will keep the helicopter, but I was initially just going to pour everything into the trash bag. And he was like, no, Mom, wait, I'm going to keep that. So yeah, he has been helpful here. So we are making progress. That box that I just pulled out was the box of giveaway toys. So, and Addison's standing right in front of the box. Actually, the box that we just pulled out was the box of toys that he's going to keep. And the box that he's standing in front of is the toys that we'll actually give away. And then everything that's in the trash bags, those are all going to be trash. Because there were pieces that were either broken or we couldn't figure out what went with what. So we're just trashing all of that. But of course, Addison said, oh, wait, I'm looking for something. So that's why my husband's digging in the trash bag trying to find the piece to a toy that he said he had to have. So these are the 2 boxes of toys that he's actually going to be keeping. So I'm pulling it all out into the family room there so that we can continue working in this room. And my husband just took the box of giveaway toys downstairs. Now we're moving into the room where it's going to be Addison's room now. So yeah, he's going to be sharing this room with my youngest stepson when he's here. So Addison's so excited to be sleeping on the top bunk of the bunk bed. So we came in here because we wanted to kind of assess the room and see how we need to move things around so that we can fit Addison's toys and his drum set in here if possible. So we're just sliding the bed down some to have space at the end. Now we're moving out Addison's drum set out of his room, and my oldest son is here. He's home from work now, so he's helping us, move things around here. So another hand on deck was very helpful. As you guys can see, Addison is being such a great little helper. He was really excited about moving his room, so he's helping to move all of his items out. So I was very proud of him for being such a great helper. Now that we have all the clothes out of the closet, it's time to clear out the drawers. So I'm taking all the clothes out and just putting them in a bag, because later I will sort through them and kind of sort it out as, again, like to the items that we'll keep and the items that we will give away. Now, of course, Addison had to play around a little bit. And here is the guest bedroom where my son just got home from school, and he just kind of had all of his things everywhere on the floor. So you guys can see the progress that we're making in Addison's old room by taking everything out. And the plan is to move my older son into this room, and we're moving Addison into the bedroom next door. So we've almost completely gotten everything out of the room. So we just have a few more items left to go. Now it's time to take down the bed. So my husband and my son have taken it apart so they can move it out of the room. And now that the room is completely clear of all the items that were in there, can you guys believe what it was like before when I showed you the before? Oh my goodness, to having everything completely out of the room. It was like such a great feeling to have everything out of there. So now I'm just vacuuming the floor and preparing the room to move the other bed in here for my older son. Now here's all the clothes that I pulled out of Addison's drawers, and from his, mostly these are items from his closet also. So I'm gonna sit here and sort through all of the clothes, and everything that you see me putting in the bags are items that I'm going to give to a family member, and then in a separate bag there will be some items that I'll give to the Goodwill. Now my husband and my son have moved the bed from the guest bedroom to this bedroom, which is going to be my son's room. And in the guest bedroom, we're moving in the white metal bed that was in Addison's room. We're moving it in here for the guest. So before they put it all together, of course, I'm vacuuming where that bed was, just so we can have the space nice and clean. And now we're here in the guest bedroom, and my husband and my son are putting the bed together, and that was quick work, so it's all done. So now I'm just vacuuming the entire floor to this bedroom, just so, again, I could have it nice and clean and everything in place. Now I'm back in the room that is going to be Addison's room, shared with his brother, and I'm taking all the linen off the beds, and just now we're moving all of his toys and everything into this space. So as you guys can see, we move Addison's drum set in here while they're playing. Now we are back in his room and everything is cleaned up. We have linen on the beds and we have all of his toys stacked neatly on his little shelf. And I have to say, guys, I am going to have to go to like IKEA or somewhere so that I can get him a bookcase or some kind of cube system so that I can store all of his toys, his action figures that he likes to have on display and play with, so he can put them back where they belong afterwards. But now here we are in the guest bedroom that I have cleaned and put it all together as well. And I have the curtains pulled like that just to let the light in so you guys can see, but I won't leave it like that always. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how it's set up. It's not completely decorated, nor is Addison's space completely decorated, and this is my oldest son's space. Again, not completely decorated, but it's all clean and organized, and so we'll work on decorating them a little bit later, but at least we have them moved in their respective places. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and go easy on me with the comments down below. Don't give me too much of a hard time about how messy things actually were, but as you can see, we are working on it, and I'm in the process of purging throughout our home also, and kind of getting rid of things that we don't really use anymore, or that's not beneficial to us anymore, or like clothes that Addison can't fit anymore and that we can't fit anymore. We're just kind of going through the whole house room by room, getting it all together. So yeah, so leave me comments down below to let me know what you guys think about this type of video, and if you're interested in seeing more like this, because I am planning to do more. So yeah. Anyway, I hope again that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to go ahead and click the like button. And also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. And if you are new here, while you're hitting the subscribe button, also hit the notification bell to get alerts as to when I upload new videos. And for my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so, so much. And I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.